Here are the key features of PAX 3 Vaporizer Complete Kit. Dual use, which means it can be used with both herbs and concentrates, long-lasting battery, 20 seconds heat-up time, dynamic modes with 5 heating profiles and 10-year limited warranty. The complete kit comes with a PAX 3 vaporizer, 1 silicone flat mouthpiece, 1 silicone raised mouthpiece, 1 USB charger, 1 oven screen, 1 concentrate insert, 1 half-packed oven lid, 1 standard oven lid, 1 cleaning kit, 3 screens, and 1 multi-tool. How to use PAX 3 vaporizer. Remove the magnetic oven lid and load the chamber with concentrate or herb. Use the keychain tool to pack the chamber. Turn on the device by pressing down on the center of the mouthpiece. The LED light will glow purple during the heat-up process. Once the light turns green, the device is ready for use.